Hey guys, welcome to my channel Zedigo World TV. In today's video, we are looking at the daily combo on Hamster Combat for the 30th and the 31st of August 2024 in order to get your free 5 million coins. So we start by going to the daily combo tab, and our first card is under the specials tab. It's called setting up business processes. So you go ahead and take your coins there. I had already assembled this first card before I recorded this video, and the next card is under the PR and team tab. Now you click on that and go down to the coin telegraph. So you click on the go ahead button and get your coins. And then the next and last card, which is the third card, is also under the PR and team tab. It's called the risk management team. So you click on that and go ahead to get your coins. And at the end of it, you have your 5 million coins given to you for free. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Always remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.